Honor has launched its new entry-level smartphone under Play series in China called Honor Play 10C, with 5G support. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 10C features a tall 6.61-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1010 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor Play 10C sports a single 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear, with f1.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.95 by 75.6 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 10C has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 649 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 699 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, morning mist white, and mint green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 10C 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.